Welcome to Food Dealing. Let's cook a delicious meal together. Add 150–200 gram minced lettuce to a bowl. Crack 6 eggs into the bowl. Include 2 tsp salt and 1 tsp black pepper. Mix eggs and lettuce thoroughly. Heat oil in a frying pan. Pour egg lettuce mix into the pan. Cover pan to cook eggs evenly. Fry each side for 5 minutes. Your lettuce egg delight is ready. Enjoy! Heat some oil in a frying pan. Dip toast slices in the egg mixture, coating both sides. Place the coated toast in the pan. Cook each side for 3–5 minutes until golden. Your egg and lettuce toast is ready. Enjoy! Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.